morning and welcome back to my channel. It's 6 in the morning on a Saturday. And you're probably wondering, why are you up? Why would you voluntarily want to be up at 6 a.m. on a Saturday? Well, let me tell you, my allergies are so bad. I'm so sorry. Y'all, today's just gonna be crazy, but I want to make the most out of it and just have so much fun, because why would you even want to stress yourself out more if you've already got a busy, packed day? So I've got a photo shoot at 9 a.m. I don't think I can tell y'all. Oh, I've got a photo shoot at 9 a.m. but I need to run to Party City and get some things for the photo shoot. But that opens at 8:30, so I need to eat breakfast really quick, get dressed, pack my car up, and then go to Party City. And I also need to get outfits for homecoming week, which is gonna be in 2 days. I'm like dressing up for the whole week at my school, and I'm definitely gonna be vlogging that, so like don't even worry. It's gonna be great content. But yeah, I'm so tired. Okay, let's get up. Let's not be lazy. Is anybody else's allergies like really bad, or is it just me? Because I'm literally like dying. I've been dying in the past couple of weeks. How cute are these new sweatpants that I got? They're from Old Navy. Literally got them the other day and they were so adorable that I just grabbed it and threw it in the cart. But they're like the softest material ever, and they have drawstring, which is really, really nice. Let's go make food.
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue.
Alright, I threw on a sweatshirt because I'm literally freezing in my house. But I'm going to do my makeup for the day. Also, when I was making eggs, I literally sprayed like the oil on the pan, but the nozzle was facing my camera and it went all over my camera lens. So hopefully, can y'all see me good? Because like, I was freaking out. I was really scared that I might have had to get a new camera. I'm gonna pin my hair back. Laura Mercier sent me this like 2-3 weeks ago, a package full of some really nice goodies. I fell in love with these like hair clips that they sent, so we're gonna use the light pink ones today. All right, let's do makeup.
Dirty?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna text me when you leave?
The house?
No, the photo shoot.
Yeah.
What are you gonna wear to the pumpkin patch?
I don't know.
Are you gonna take pictures?
Mom, your foot is literally up in my video.
Oh, I didn't know you were filming. Don't put that in.
I'm putting that in. Shout out to Bang Cookies. Thanks for sending me some PR. Don't know what this is, but we will find out. We've got a note. Oh my gosh. What the heck? We've got a sack of cookies. This is so cute. Low-key kind of smells like peanut butter. I feel like. Maybe I'll bring one of these to the photo shoot today. Holy cow, these are huge. Oh, I'm so excited. Mom, look at these. There's a s'mores one. Holy cow, I'm literally taking this to the shoot. Triple chocolate, Dad's gonna like this one. Yum, thank you, Bang Cookies, if you're watching this. Okay, I'm gonna get into my outfit for the shoot today. I think I'm wearing Christmas pajamas for it, or like a sweater or something. So let me do that. I'm literally driving to Party City in Christmas pajamas. Look at how fresh this fit is. Dang. I need to get some stuff for the shoot today, and I'm kind of stressed because I'm in a huge time crunch right now. So pray for me. But I brought a second outfit, which I'll show you guys. It's so cute, and it's gonna be like a second look for the day. I will do a little haul for you guys. So ended up getting a Christmas wreath, and then I got a Santa hat, and then I got this for my homecoming week thing. It's like a ancient times head wreath for like Greek goddesses, because one of the days we have to dress up as that. So okay, I'm gonna go to the location of the shoot to meet up with Jonesy, my photographer. She's literally amazing. I'll put her Instagram on the screen and in the description.
Honestly, my anxiety sometimes, dude. I literally have been thinking about you so much because I have had my little
Jonesy, you want to say anything to the vlog?
Y'all better stream Caroline's music. She works so hard on it.
Oh, so sweet. Guys, look at this setup.
One day I don't wait on it, I don't slack, I stay on it. If the blame is yours, then you gon' be the one that pay for it. Woke up through some bands, I ain't even had to slay for it. Don't bet against the underdog, I was made for it.
Guys, we got the Christmas hat on. I'm not gonna lie, this hat is a little sketchy. I mean, I did get it from Party City, but these photos look absolute fire. Jonesy, what do you think?
I'm so pumped for these pictures. Sorry guys, I'm switching my lens. Caroline's the cutest.
James Harden, you ain't keeping nothing, you must fade away. They ain't fit this feeling in a minute.
You guys, photo shoot is done. I'm literally sweating. It is so humid in Texas. Jonesy and I are gonna go to get coffee at this place called Merit Coffee. Yeah, I need like something in my system, so I'm going to get a chai. Let me tell you guys the plan for the rest of the day though, because it's gonna be so fun. My mom literally came up to my dad and I the other night and was like, let's go to a pumpkin patch. So we're going to a pumpkin patch today, just the three of us, and I'm so excited. I'm walking to the coffee shop. I'm so excited, y'all. I just really want a chai. Like, that's just what I'm craving. Yummy! Iced chai with almond milk and 1 pump of vanilla. I feel like I could cry. While I'm driving home, let's have a Caroline Manning jam session. Hopefully I don't die. Why am I going backwards? Oh, let's start with I Walk These Streets in November. I freaking love this song so much. I walk these streets in November, it hit different than it did in September. Maybe it's because I've changed. Oh, you were my good days. Had some time to think in October. Let's hope I'm over you by December. You really took a toll on me, but you're right, I wasn't meant to be. I'm dancing while I'm crying. Oh shit, she got the glasses on. I should have listened to my instincts. I fell too deep now. Look at me, you shouldn't play with the girl's heart. I'm pretty hurt. Oh, uh-oh.
What are you doing?
I'm driving home.
Oh, okay. You didn't text me that you're driving home.
Well, cause I'm driving.
Okay. I'll wait for you at home.
All right.
Go.
Bye.
Okay. All right. I'll see you later.
I love you. Bye.
Bye.
I didn't even say I love you. Wow. Next song, we got Both Ways. If you're feeling brokenhearted, listen to this song. Apology without change is manipulation. Oh, and loving you always had me hesitating. She played you, then you played me. You said this time, don't worry. You made me a fool, and I follow the rules. Never good enough for you. Why did every day feel like a chase? Should dare love and someone go both ways? Remember this, ladies? And maybe if it's right and you became the perfect guy, who knows what to do? Although you're just a child, and I know I deserve someone who can appreciate my work, 'cause I who I'm with.
Hello.
TT and I are going to the pumpkin patch today. Is Dad coming or no?
No.
My dad can't come, which is so depressing because we are gonna miss Ricky P. I'll show you guys my fit once I get out of the car. So this little road trip excursion had to take a little time out because we ran out of gas.
We sure did. It was a close call.
Yeah, we probably would have gotten stuck in this town that is so scary. But we're getting gas, so we're not going to get stranded here. But yeah, I'm so excited. The pumpkin patch is in Marble Falls. It's at this place called Sweetberry Farms. And it's about an hour and 10 minutes from where we live. I'm gonna pick some pumpkins out and then I want to carve them later. We're here! Sweetberry Farm. We're gonna get the fam together and carve pumpkins on Wednesday, and it's gonna be lit, so we need to get enough for that. PT, you look sported, fitted up today. So let me show you guys my outfit. I've got shorts from Levi's, top from Princess Polly, because where else? Hair scarf from Urban, and shoes from Princess Polly. There's hair on my face.
There's hair on my face.
We're gonna pick out a pumpkin.
I think we're gonna get a white one this time.
It's gonna be lit. We're gonna get a white pumpkin.
Oh my god.
Everybody's look up here.
Is it okay?
Hurry. Guys, we got it. She's perfect. We're done with the pumpkin patch. It is literally so hot outside.
It's 89 degrees.
Like, it's so hot. And now we're gonna go to this place called the Blue Bonnet Cafe and grab a bite to eat, maybe a slice of pie, because that's what they're known for. Okay, just kidding. That place was way too crowded, so now we're going to Mandola's to get some Italian food. Okay, so I got some like wedding soup, but it's already basically gone. And then I got some gnocchi, which is like this potato pasta, and it's so good. And Mom, what did you get?
I got tortellini.
We just got some cupcakes. Shout out Kiki's Cakes. My mom and I literally drove to this lady's house to pick them up. So now we're gonna eat them and have a taste test for you guys.
She makes amazing cupcakes, cinnamon rolls, cakes, you name it.
Yeah.
Mmm. Wow. Mm-mm-mm. Mm.
Oh my god.
Excellent.
So good. Thanks.
Yes.
Stream teenage therapy.
Yes, do it.
So I showered and now we're gonna go to church because tomorrow I'm going to the Formula One Circuit of Americas. I cannot go to church tomorrow because it's Sunday and yeah, it's gonna be like a whole day thing. So we're going to church and then we're going to the 5 o'clock service.
Good conversations taste just like medication to all of the population. We'll be alright.